Hi! Okay, so I might change this account to just singing videos because that's all that's on my mind. And if you can't tell, I dyed my hair. But this is Cough Syrup by Young the Giant. Hold on. Turn this instrumental up. Life's too short to even care right. Oh. I'm losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. The wet world aches for the beat of a drum. If I could find a way to see this train, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cold syrup to come down, come down. Life's too short to even care right. I'm coming up now, out of that. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. A dark world aches for the slashing of the sun. If I could find a way to see this train, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. So I can run down to the things that say to restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cold syrup to come down. Life's too short to even care right. I'm losing my mind, losing control. I don't know what to do during this part. If I could find a way to see this train, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run down to the things that say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Hope you enjoyed. DM me things or message me on Kik. I'm not giving my number out. Do anything to just give me songs to do because I'm creating this into a singing account now. Well, I'm pretty excited to be Jacob. He wrote me a song, and that's pretty cool because I've never sang my own song. And you're just gonna know a little bit about me in that song. But thank you for watching. Love you guys!